Hi, and welcome. This is the second part of the Chapter 17, Objective 3. I wanted to provide you with another example on how to do a payoff matrix and establishing a dominant strategy and if there's a Nash equilibrium. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you and we'll get to it. Okay, so again, we're going to take a look at another problem of finding the Nash equilibrium in this particular lesson. So we're going to use this table to determine Angelina's and Brad's dominant strategy and the Nash equilibrium. So let's go ahead and look at this table for just a moment. And let me enable my inking. Why are you not inking? Okay, now we're inking. Okay. All right. So we have Angelina and Brad own two professional studios in each town. They have to choose between low price and high price for senior packages. The economic profit from each strategy is listed. So just for clarity, I want to put low price here. In green will be Angelina, and high price here, and green will be Angelina. And then for Brad, let's go ahead and use a different color. Let's use blue for Brad, and he has the low price and the high price that he has to decide between. So the first thing we want to do is to determine, and I'll start with Angelina. I want to take a look at Angelina's profit. And so Angelina has a profit of $20,000 and $45,000. So $20,000 added to the $25,000, that's going to give us a profitability of $45,000. And here is $4,000 and $22,000. Add those two together, and under her high price, the profit would be $26,000. Well, $45,000 is greater than the $26,000, so therefore Angelina will choose the low price. Let's go ahead and do Brad's. Okay, Brad has a profit of his low price of, and now we're going to go this way, and we're going to add $20,000 and $23,000, and that's going to give us the $43,000 under his low price, and the $5,000 and the $20,000, and that's going to give us $27,000. So Brad likewise will choose low price. Because we have low price, so Angelina's dominant strategy would be low price, Brad's dominant strategy would be low price. Because they're in the same cell, if you will, low price, low price. So therefore, we can now determine the Nash equilibrium, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in red. So the Nash equilibrium will be low price, low price. Okay, so I'm going to give you a blank one to work with. Make sure you get the same answers that I did. And then, again, just always let me know if you have any additional questions. Now, I did look through the test to make sure that you will always have a dominant strategy. You will. Remember, the intersection of the dominant strategies is where the Nash equilibrium is. I also wanted to show you that sometimes there may be a dominant strategy that doesn't intersect. So now I go ahead and have my whiteboard here. Let me move that to my other screen so I can write on it. Okay. So okay. So in a case where you have a dominant strategy that is for player A, and the dominant strategy for player B do not intersect in the same cell, then you're just going to simply say that you're going to say there's no Nash equilibrium. I don't think there's many problems like that on the test, but I wanted you to be aware there is a methodology, and I'll put up the YouTube video on how you can do that. It's a little confusing, in my opinion, but I will put up that methodology for how you can actually go through and find the Nash equilibrium if players have separate dominant strategies. Again, I don't think there's anything like that on the test, but I wanted you to be aware of it. Okay. So, all right. So thank you for your time, attention, and I'll see you back on the fourth objective for Chapter 17. Thanks.